Hi friend, welcome to my first vlog. So today I'm gonna start with showing you the most beautiful monastery in the city in Huế. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see that Vietnam is a very small country, very long but skinny, and it's right by the coast. Huế is right in the center of the country. A small city, it is not that developed, but this place, it is full of World UNESCO site and heritage. But for today, we will walk around a monastery and we will talk about Buddhism in Vietnam. Buddhism could be divided into two big school of thoughts. So we got Theravada Buddhism and we got Mahayana Buddhism. For the first one, Theravada Buddhism, you can see that it's like the original way. So the idea is all the monks, they're gonna chase after Nirvana. The main goal is Nirvana. So they're gonna meditate, they follow a lot of practices in Buddhism in the hope that maybe in the end of their life or maybe in their next life they will achieve Nirvana. For Mahayana Buddhism, however, the goal here is to become a Bodhisattva, which means that we try to reach close to Nirvana, but then we stop and then we try to support humanity. We try to show compassion to everyone around us. So you see, in a way, Theravada Buddhism is it means the school of the elder monks, originally from India. This is the name of the monastery, Huyền Không Sơn Thượng. The word Huyền Không Sơn Thượng together, it means Huyền Không means emptiness. Sơn Thượng is a garden on the mountain. So it's like a peaceful, empty garden up on the mountain. The word on top is written in Sanskrit language. So my first vlog gonna be clumsy. I don't know how to speak the language properly even, but now I'm gonna show you the beauty around this place, and I will try to show you a bit of my knowledge about Buddhism as well. So join me, stay with me. This is the pond. This is the pond in the mountain, and over there we do have the gazebo where all the monks they're gonna enjoy their tea and relax over there. So we go straight this way. We will head to the main temple. The weather right now is around 35 degrees Celsius. The humidity will be around 85%. So it's hot and it's humid. I don't really know what to say for the first vlog. I don't really have a script or anything. But let's see how this thing goes. Well, we got the bamboos. Our national tree. We use them as a form of weapons in the past, and it stands for vitality and resilience. Resilience. Anyhow, you can see that people, you can also come here to relax, to calm your mind in this area. Very spacious, and surround them is a lot of statues for Theravada Buddhism monastery like this, we only have one statue of Gautama the Buddha over here. Let me show you. This is the lying Buddha. I mean, he's lying down right now, and it's supposed to be his final days. So he's taking the rest and about to leave the body. And behind him would be the banyan tree. Now we're gonna go this way to the main temple. Buddhism is very popular in Vietnam. 80% of the population would follow the religion. And most of the statue that you see would be the statue of Gautama the Buddha. He's sitting down like this, with a lotus position, and he sits on top of the lotus flower as well. So he sits down meditating, and lotus is our national flower. It is also considered to be the symbolism in Buddhism as well. So suppose if you find out about this video on YouTube, thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for being patient so far. This is another statue of him. He, you see, he's very skinny right now. This is the initiated Buddha. There was a period in his life where he practiced a lot of meditation very strictly, and he went through a long fasting period. So you see, there are only skin and bones left. But it's very important. After all the practices, he realized that it's kind of not necessary to reach the goal. And that's where the idea of the middle path come in. Very peaceful here though. We don't have a lot of people coming. Normally they come just to trek. They trek up to the mountain, all the way up the mountain. Inside here would be the best. This is the main gate. And inside here, we're gonna have a manhole where the monk meditate. So you see now the statue of the Buddha standing. Standing like this, it means that he's spreading the wisdom to humanity. And yeah, now we're gonna continue our walking around this place. I'm gonna show you some koi fish as well. And I think that will be enough for the video today. I start improving. It's good that I start is very bad like this, so I can improve day by day, and it's a satisfying feeling. This is the tea room. People come to have tea to enjoy themselves. I want to show you the koi fish. They have a British koi pond over here. So here's our koi. Pretty koi. Garden area. Let's go visit the main temple. Let's see how many minutes. Oh, we're filming for 10 minutes already. That's fast. I didn't even recognize the time. We got bonsai. This is the main temple. So shoes off. When we take up the shoes, when we're entering the holy place or entering the house in Vietnam, we also need to take up the shoes as well. This camera, they won't do so well with in the dark. So let's see how it goes. First picture. baby, the baby Buddha. He was born as a kid in a very wealthy kingdom, surrounded by the royal family. But then he grew up, and one day he walked through this village. He actually saw a few things. He saw a very old person, an old man. And he wondering, hang on. The body is very young and vibrant. And he asking his gardener, so one day I'm gonna become old and ugly like this? And then he actually saw another sick person who's about to die. So wondering, there's no way that I will die one day as well. And then he actually saw a yogi, a very beautiful man meditating on the street. So those kind of images, it triggered something inside this young man. And he decided to left the whole kingdom to went in search for something higher. You see the main, what's it called? Altar. This is the main altar area where all the monks, they're gonna come here, they meditate, they do their mantra chanting. And they do it normally very early in the morning. Right in the middle would be different statues of the Buddha as well. So we got the lying Buddha again. We got the one sitting in different position, in the same position, but the hand mudra is different. And let's move to the next one. You see, after all the years of meditating and follow strict meditation practices, he finally reached nirvana, the ultimate state of consciousness. And for the rest of his life, he spent all his time to share Buddhism to the whole world, to share this idea of every human beings, if following the right path, if practicing and having enough wisdom to recognize the true nature of the self, we can actually also achieve nirvana. It is the state where we already are, and it is the state that are valuable to all the sentient beings in the world. And I think that was about it. That was about it for the first vlog today. Anyhow, I'm glad that I have enough confidence and courage to film another one. Let's see how it goes. I'll see you next time, my friend. I wish you all the best, and I wish you God bless in whatever you do in life. So, bye for now.